Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying compatibility. Look up your phone model and confirm it supports 5G bands used by your carrier. Once done, check your account. Make sure your plan includes 5G or contact the carrier to enable it. Next, update the phone OS and carrier settings. This often adds 5G profiles. Back up your data before changes. Do these in sequence so you avoid needless returns, and prepare a simple notes list of model MA and current firmware version. You now configure the device. Open network settings and switch preferred network to 5G or 5G Auto, and choose standalone if your carrier supports it for lower latency. Once set, run speed tests in multiple spots, indoors, outdoors, near windows, to identify where 5G is strongest. Install any carrier APN or profile updates provided by your operator, and reboot after each update to apply settings. Make sure to monitor battery and thermal behavior. 5G can draw more power, so you can adjust usage or setting. You finish by confirming the 5G icon appears and running final speed and latency checks to ensure stable performance. If 5G doesn't appear, reinsert the SIM or try a known working 5G SIM. Contact carrier to confirm provisioning or request a network profile push. As a last resort, perform a factory reset after backing up data. Troubleshooting tip: if connectivity still fails, ask the carrier for a network provisioning log. This quickly shows whether the phone or the network is blocking 5G.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.